Good evening, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. We're going to get back to mingling real quick, but I just want to do a quick introduction. My name is Joshua Dada, and of course, many of you probably met Shanita Johnson. You'll hear from us later, but I just want to welcome you out to the Houston Cohort Connect. If you're having fun, make some noise. How about that? If you're having fun right now.
My experience so far with the Houston Cohort Connect has really been amazing. I think it's so critical for all of us to combine our collective wisdom, to share our experiences, just to get to hear and support each other. We've all been through this amazing program with Goldman Sachs, and it's really given everybody a breadth and scope of understanding of each other.
Where else would you have an opportunity like this to talk about your business and be able to connect with so many different prospective clients?
How many of us are in Houston alone, such a great city, such a big city, but we don't know each other? So it's so great that all the different graduates coming from alumni 1 to all the way to cohort 35 to get together and really show what Houston's all about.
So if you guys missed it, I just don't know what to tell you. This event has been amazing. We've had all cohorts from cohort 1 all the way up to cohort 35. Can you imagine all those businesses being in the same room? Everybody's going through the program, everybody's vetted, and there's so many people to network with and grow your businesses, but also just hold each other accountable.
We came up with this idea and decided to execute an all Houston cohort event. Everybody has had a great time. The vibe has been great. The food has been great.
Shout out to all the sponsors. Shout out to the venue. If you missed this one, we hope to see you at the next one. Peace.
Peace. Thank you.